Good day, everyone. I am Ali Baltazar.
And I am Ray Villanueva, and you're watching ECT Talk Show.
Partner, did you know how did the solar system form?
To be honest, I have no idea about the remnants of our universe. I know you know something. Kindly share to us.
Well, all we know is that for decades, all we had in the study of solar system is the solar system itself. For a long time, we've known how our entire solar system formed. Many theories and hypotheses are formed.
Do you know any theories or hypotheses that have been made?
Yes, I know something, but I want the audience to know them details by details. So, for the sake of our viewers, we make a question and answer portion with the help of Harleen. So, without further ado, here's Harleen live outside the Earth. Harleen!
Thank you, Ali and Ray. Once again, I am Harleen Mangubat, and I will be the one who will ask some of the important people in science to know some information about the hypotheses that were made, particularly the encounter hypothesis. Let's start with the simplest question. Good day, Ma'am Sheila. There are so many theories and hypotheses that were made for us to really understand the formation of the solar system. But how do we test this said hypothesis?
Good day to you also. A hypothesis is an answer to scientific questions that requires the formulation of something. The hypothesis is tested against the facts to look for contradictions that rule out or require modification to that hypothesis. We must remember that the process of hypothesis formulation and the theory building is a lengthy, career-dependent operation. The sociology of science requires that a hypothesis must be tested and confirmed by many scientists, since the creator of the hypothesis has a strong psychological attachment to his work.
Wow, so making a hypothesis is requiring a lot of work. Moving on, let us now discover the constituents of the encounter hypothesis. Ma'am Sheila, in science, what is encounter hypothesis?
Encounter hypothesis is one of the earliest theories for the formation of the planets. In this scenario, a rogue star passes close to the Sun about 5 billion years ago. This hypothesis has the advantage of explaining why the planets all revolve in the same direction and also provides an explanation for why the inner worlds are denser than the outer worlds.
For more information, let us also discover on how the solar system and the Sun formed. Here are Shala, Aliyah, and Alexandra to discuss it to us.
Approximately 4.5 billion years ago, gravity pulled a cloud of dust and gas together to form our solar systems. While scientists aren't certain of the exact nature of the process, observations of young stellar systems combined with computer simulations have allowed them to develop three models of what could have happened so many years ago.
The Sun formed starting with the collapse of a gas cloud, with most of the material ending up in the center to turn into the Sun. It requires interesting complicated processes to remaining material coalesce into the planets. To make the moons, this process repeated itself in miniature for the giant worlds.
After the Sun formed,
A massive disk of material surrounded it around 100 million years. That may should like more than enough time for the planets to form, but in astronomical terms, it's an eye blink. As the newborn sun heated the disk, gas evaporated quickly, giving the newborn planets and moons only a short amount of time to scoop it out.
That is truly an amazing information. Thank you so much for sharing your knowledge to us. Again, this is Hardin Mangubat reporting.
Thank you, Harleen, for that wonderful interview.
And that's it for today. We'll see you again.